all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we will be showing you guys how to make Paneer Paratha. It's a delicious Indian flatbread made with whole wheat flour. So without further ado, let's begin the video. Firstly, take a bowl, add the paneer. Here I am adding 1 medium bowl of paneer. Then add 1 spoon of salt, pepper, turmeric, 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1 spoon of red chili powder. Mix well all these ingredients. Then add 2 cups of wheat flour. Mix well, pour water just as needed and make a soft dough. Then pour 1 tablespoon of oil and knead well until it turns soft. After kneading the dough, rest it for about 5 minutes. After resting the dough, divide the dough to 4 equal parts. Sprinkle little flour over the rolling area. Roll each of these balls like a roti. Now heat a tawa on a high flame. When it is hot, transfer the paratha. Very soon you will see bubbles on the parathas. Now apply some oil. Flip and then press down to puff the parathas. Cook on both sides until you see golden to light brown spots on both the sides. Drizzle some ghee or oil and smear it all over the parathas. Then proceed to fry the next paratha. Serve parathas with your favorite chutney. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for more such amazing recipes. Thank you for watching.